Okay, this week's pretest. Number 1, entry. He will go through the front entry of the building. Number 2, limit. I will limit how much ice cream you may eat. Limit. Number 3, talent. His one talent is eating lunch. Talent. Number 4, disturb. My sister asked not to disturb her. Disturb. Number 5, entire. Yes, you must complete the entire assignment. Entire. Number 6, wisdom. Her wisdom allowed her to have great grades in school. Wisdom. Number 7, dozen. My father went to get a dozen eggs from the supermarket. Dozen. Number 8, impress. I will impress my teacher with my great handwriting. Impress. Number 9, respond. I will respond to your question. Respond. Number 10, fortress. He built a fortress in his backyard. Fortress. Number 11, neglect. Sometimes I neglect breakfast. Neglect. Number 12, patrol. The soldier went out on patrol. Patrol. Number 13, kitchen. The dirty dishes were left in the kitchen. Kitchen. Number 14, forbid. I forbid you to go out of the house. Forbid. Number 15, pirate. The pirate jumped off the ship. Pirate. Number 16, spinach. Spinach is my favorite vegetable. Spinach. Number 17, adopt. I went to the dog pound and went to adopt a puppy. Adopt. Number 18, frighten. Your Halloween mask will frighten me. Frighten. Number 19, surround. I like to surround myself with smart people. Surround. Number 20, challenge. I challenge you to a duel. Challenge. 21, adapt. We are all learning to adapt to our new online school. Adapt. 22, refuge. I will take refuge in the wilderness. Refuge. 23, distribute. I will distribute the spelling words today online. Distribute. 24, industry. The food industry opened Friday. Industry. And 25, somber. They were all somber at the funeral. Somber. Okay, that's your list. Hopefully you can find 10 words from that. If not, you need to find words to fill it up so you have at least 10 from your reading this week.